So today I'm working on some little Christmas ornaments. I'm using metallic tattoo paper from Silhouette, and I'm using these little wood discs. I've already drilled some holes in them to hold some ribbon or whatever to hang them on the tree. To start with, we're going to take this plastic wrap off the top, and then we'll set the little guy on the wood. Press it down firmly. It will be a little sticky, so it will stay in place. And then over here I have some water and a little rag, just like you do on your hand. Press it with the water. When it starts sliding off, it's ready. There you go. So I'm going with a nativity theme. So this is what I've got so far. Finished all the ornaments, just need to add a little ribbon. They all turned out pretty good. We've got a little star missing here, and we had an issue with one of them, but they mostly turned out. So I just need to add the ribbon.